Hi everyone, I am Satvik and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain articles. Articles are important in English grammar as they help us understand if we are talking about something specific or general. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an, while definite article is the. I know that many people struggle with using articles. Don't worry, this video will help you understand them clearly and ensure you remember. Let's begin by discussing the indefinite articles a and an. When talking about something non-specific, we use a or an. For example, I need a book, I saw a dog, and she asked an ice cream. And here we don't know which book, which dog, or which ice cream she is asking. In these situations, we use a or an. I need a book. I don't know which book or how many books I want. I am just asking for a book. In example 2, I saw a dog. When I tell my mom I saw a dog, I don't know which dog it is. If my sister Kusumita asks for an ice cream, she just wants any ice cream, whether it is a cone, Nandini, or cup ice cream. Next, we all know that when a noun starts with A, E, I, O, U, we use an. And for consonants, we use A. There are 26 letters in English. A, I, O, U are vowels. The rest are consonants. For example, we say open because it starts with a consonant. We say an eagle because it starts with a vowel. Next, we say an MBA degree. Is it correct? Should we use a instead of an? It means a MBA because M is a consonant letter. But an is the correct article. If you listen carefully, an MBA starts with M. How do you write the sound of the letter M? E-M, right? The sound is M. Because the sound is a vowel, we use an. When using a or an, listen for the vowel sound, not just the first letter. So, we cannot decide just by seeing the vowels or consonant letters. We must listen for the vowel sounds to use an or a correctly. Next, and hover. Here, an is used because hover starts with a vowel sound ha, even though it starts with a consonant letter. Clear? Next, definite article. The definite article the is used to refer to specific items or people that both the speaker and listener know about. For example, I saw the movie last night. The book on the table is mine. The sun is bright today. It can also be used with unique nouns like the president and the earth. I saw the movie last night. Here, the movie refers to a specific film that both you and the listener know about. Maybe you had talked about it before, or it was a popular film that everyone is aware of. Using the indicates it is not just any movie. It is that particular one you are both familiar with. Now, if you said, I watched a movie last night, it suggests that you could be talking about any movie. There are many movies and you are not specifying which one. This makes it clear that the listener does not have prior knowledge of the film you watched. In example 5, the for earth. Because The earth is unique. There is only one earth. Earth is unique because it is the only planet known to support life with water, air, and diverse ecosystems. So, we all know about Earth. Hence, we use the. Next, there are some exceptions in English grammar when using articles. We know that country names do not need the definite article the in front of them, even though they are specific. For example, I live in India is correct, while I live in the India is wrong. I live in England is correct. I live in the England is incorrect sentence. And I will go to Japan is correct. But I will go to the Japan is wrong. We should not use the in front of country names. For languages, we also don't use the. For example, I speak Kannada is correct, but I speak the Kannada is wrong. We understand that a and an are indefinite articles. Use a before consonant sounds. Example, a dog and an before vowel sounds. Example, an apple. Next, the is a definite article. It refers to something specific. Example, the dog that barks. I hope that you have learned both definite and indefinite article. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.